Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Mantle, followed by Render, Stacks, Maker, Filecoin, CRO, ARB Hedera, and then we'll end it with Bittensor, number 40. Let's get straight into it. Mantle against BTC. We are... Okay, I don't know what Mantle is doing. Nothing much on the BTC front, but on the... Okay, let's go to Gate. USD front... Yeah, again, we noticed the descending triangle. Yes, we rarely back up above the resistance line. Is this sustainable? Could we continue breaking higher? I would assume that we are still on for our 52 cents target. The moment we take out these highs, we will consider this as invalidated. But as it stands, 52 cents is still on course to be hit. If anything, this could be a gigantic head and shoulders. Ooh. Anyway, once you slice through the skinny pink line, yeah, it's bad. It's bad. You don't see things like this happening. But again, if we see strong buying pressure, hey, great. We will switch to a bullish bias. But as of now, we're staying loyal to our target. Render against USDT. For Render, we are still on course for $4.13. Again, as it stands, we are still above the skinny pink line, but we've begun hitting it once, twice. In my opinion, it's only a matter of time before Render goes back under the skinny pink line. 413 is at the noisy area over here. So yeah, I still think that Render could hit much lower. At the same time, of course, we could also be wrong, and Render could see a strong rally. I could see this becoming an inverse head and shoulders, right, as it continues higher. But as it stands, the price has been mucking around at the skinny pink line, so I suspect that we could be switching to a bearish stance for Render. So we're still loyal to our 413 target. dogwifhat, WIF against BTC. Here we are for WIF. So for WIF, we are kind of in limbo, I would say. We're not particularly that bearish, not particularly that bullish. How do we turn bullish? Yeah, strong rally close to these highs, but don't take it out. Come back down, get a right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, and then we break higher. Best case scenario, as it stands, yeah, we still don't know yet. We could still head lower. Hopefully this is a double bottom though. You don't know it's a double bottom until a double bottom happens. WIF against USDT, we are okay. TA gate. Let's go to gate. Okay, so for WIF, we have a target over here, 135. Yes, that's a strong rally. Sure, WIF could be switching back higher. Wait, let me just check. 2.904. What's this? Okay, almost. We took this out. Almost took this out. So the moment we take this out, we will consider WIF to be switching bullish, which means that we could be completing an inverse head and shoulders. Oh, this is good. This is good. Strong buying pressure is good. This means that potentially, yeah, we could be seeing a bullish continuation towards the upside. But in any case, we will still have to wait for the right shoulder. This is very overextended. So I hope that we don't take out these highs, come back down, see some sort of a consolidation over here. Several months. September 2024, pam! We break out September, October. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I like that we are correcting in a very controlled manner. So WIF has potential to switch bullish. Right, so again, take this out. And that's it. We will switch bullish for dogwifhat. Stacks against BTC. Here we are for Stacks. Okay, Stacks is already under the skinny pink line, which is not good. But if you look at the big picture, Stacks is in a very big accumulation. Super big. Super duper big. So the hope is that at some point, okay, this is a noisy area. At some point in this noisy area, we'll start a reversal. That's the hope. So as it stands, yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. It's not so clear on the Stacks BTC front. Stacks against USD, we are touching the skinny pink line, which is not good. But Stacks has a knack of disrespecting the skinny pink line. Right, touch it, bounce, almost, and then we cross it. Right, the moment we cross it, that's it, full on bear. Cross it back up, okay, bull. Now we're crossing back down. So yo, bro, what's this? Okay, are we gonna get mountain ranges? We could get mountain ranges, so We could be heading lower, right? Again, nothing much for us to work with at the moment, so we're gonna have to move on from stacks. Maker against BTC. I love Maker. I don't know what's happening behind the scenes. I think Rune has got something up his sleeves. So Maker, again, if you see very, 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 very carefully, it's an A, up for a B, down for a C, D, E. I suspect this is an E in the making. Ooh, I think there's a big breakout in the making, right? This could be extended for several more months, even all the way to 2025. I suspect a break is not too far away. So I think, like I was saying, I think Rune Christensen has something up his sleeves though. So yeah, Maker looks really, really good. Really good. And this is against BTC. You want to see strength against BTC. But okay, against the USD pair, we're touching the skinny pink line, which is not good. But at the same time, let me paint you the Bulla picture. So for Maker against USD, you can pull a resistance line across. And this looks like a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We could still head higher. But to me, the touch of the skinny pink line just means that the end may not be too far away for Maker. Right. Before Maker collapsed down for its bear trend, right? It did cross the skinny pink line, but you know, it rallied a little bit here and there, very indecisive, and after that it just collapsed back down. So I suspect that the end may not be too far away. See, so we might get, you know, something like this, or maybe something higher before coming back down, right? There could be another wave higher. But yeah, in my opinion, the end may not be too far away for Maker against USD, so you gotta be very, 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 very careful. Filecoin against BTC. So for Filecoin, we are still down. We keep forming new all-time lows. It just keeps dropping lower and lower and lower against BTC, which means that you would have done much better putting your money into BTC rather than in Filecoin. Against USD, Filecoin, yeah, continues to drop. We have our target over here, $2. Right, Filecoin will form head and shoulders, and then this could bring us much, much lower. So yeah, Filecoin doesn't look good to me. It looks very poor. There was a nice, if you look very carefully, way back in the past. Hey, A, B, C, D, E, that's it, breakout, let's go. Yeah, nope, cancel. It was cancelled. So yeah, $2 is our target for Filecoin. CRO against BTC. So for CRO, we are going lower. Yeah, sadly, CRO has already taken out the lows over here. We were anticipating though something like this, right? But yeah, nope, we've taken this out. So CRO is a no-go, absolute no-go at this point of time. Against USD, yeah, it's a no-go too. This whole thing could turn into a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. The moment you cross the skinny pink line, that's it. So yeah, that doesn't look good to me. Absolutely not. Arbitrum, another disappointment. Absolute disappointment. And it keeps forming new all-time lows against BTC. It's just down and down and down and down. Maybe one fine day, it might start reversing, but as of now, it is so weak. ARB against USD. Yeah, the moment you cross the skinny pink line, that's it. So, yeah, again, anything for us to work with? No. Nothing much for Arbitrum, sadly. HBAR against BTC. Hedera. Where are we? Oh boy, we're very close to taking out these lows. I hope we don't do this. I hope we don't take out the lows, but it seems like we're heading towards it. So, not good. HBAR against USD. We are already under the skinny pink line. We have a target that got out of the oven way back on the 11th of July, right? 14 days, 2 weeks ago. And it feels to me like we are heading back down, potentially towards sub 4 cents. So yeah, HBAR is not looking good. Absolutely not. The whales could be sweeping all the clusters of cells over here. Bam! Before seeing some sort of a reversal. So HBAR is not looking good. TAO against BTC. So for TAO, okay, don't see much. TAO for USD, you look at it on Maxi. Okay, so for TAO, you see this? Beautiful, right? Symmetrical. Bam! Okay, anyway, we are hitting the skinny pink line. Not good, boys and girls, not good. Again, can you see the potential bearishness? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Sure, we could head higher, but in terms of chart patterns, it's just nothing much for us to work with, right? If we could rally all the way back up, great. Maybe get a cup and handle kind of a chart pattern before heading higher. But as it stands, we don't see it. We don't see it yet. It's a very noisy area, so we might go above the skinny pink line a little bit. But I suspect that once the selling pressure comes, we'll come back under the skinny pink line. Right. Would be great though if we keep going higher. But as it stands, yeah, it's weak. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Bittensor. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.